Order here. What kind of breads do you have? They're right there.
6-inch and foot long for either one.
6-inch and foot long?
Oh, or foot long. It's whatever you want.
Not and?
Oh no, it's or foot long.
Oh. What's the difference between the breads?
Italian is just regular white bread. 9-grain wheat tastes like wheat bread. Herbs and cheese has like herbs on top of it, and it's like cheesy bread. And honey oat is like I never had honey oat, to be honest.
Can I have the 9-grain honey oat?
Foot long or 6-inch?
Foot long?
What would you like on it?
Do you have like something close to like blue cheese and stuff?
No, not here.
What kind of stuff can I put on it?
Meats, whatever you.
What's that?
Roasted chicken.
Can I get some roasted chicken?
What type of cheese?
What kind of cheese is all this?
Yeah.
What kind?
Mozzarella, Monterey cheddar, American, pepper jack, provolone toast.
Can I get Can I get the? Can I, sir? Can I get
This one?
Yeah, no.
You want it toasted?
No, not that one. Not that one.
This one?
Yeah.
You want it toasted, right? It heats up the meat and stuff.
Oh, yeah. Toasted? Is there anything else I can put on it?
Vegetables down there after it's toasted.
Oh, okay. Thank you. What? What would I like on it? What is that? Cucumbers? I thought that was zucchini. Cucumbers. Yes. Not that many though. Just a couple. Can you say like 3 of them all? I just want one of them. Yeah, just one of them. What is this? No, this. Onions? Can I get like 2 onions? Can you put like 1 tomato in the middle of it too? Is that a thing? Is that possible? Oh, okay. What kind of oh. Can I get like brown mustard on it? With like ranch and sweet onion? And a little bit of mayo.
Ranch and sweet onion?
Yeah. What's that vinaigrette stuff? The vinaigrette stuff? What is that? What does it taste like? Italian dressing? Can I get some of that? Are those bell peppers? Can I get like 1.5 bell peppers on it? And one more, like half of another one though. Yeah, like that.
Both of them or just one?
Yeah, both of them. What is that? This? Egg? Can I get like half an egg on it? Wait, never mind. That doesn't look good.